Peace, what's going on? This is Queen Sarita coming to you with a video to tell you congratulations. Congratulations for getting this far into the course. And I just want to tell you personally that I'm so happy for you for being a part of this. Thank you for being here with me. This is a part of my dream, and I look forward to reading even more tarot with you. I have so much to share with you, as you'll see in this online course, but we're going to be diving even deeper than ever. So do something good for yourself. You know, it doesn't have to do with spending money. It doesn't have to, but take a wonderful warm shower. Visualize how you give tarot, how to get better. See yourself being the type of tarot reader that you want to be. And if you have any questions for me about reading tarot, then drop them below, and we're going to dive into those, okay? Without further ado, I'm going to say peace, and that is it. And we're going to go to the next lesson. And like I said, do something for yourself. I remember when I was going and learning tarot for the very second and third time, not even the first time, but I would, do something like, meditate with one of my crystals. I would put on some meditation music, take a nice walk, take a couple tarot cards with me and do a daily draw to decipher them later and see what messages, I could learn from. So yeah, do little things like that. Take yourself out, or make yourself something special at home. Celebrate with some people, but as I always say, it's good to keep your tarot reading skills to yourself, your intuitive understanding and reading and deciphering to yourself, because people aren't always going to overstand what you're doing. That's cool. This is for you. So thank you so much for being a part of the online course. My name's Queen Sarita, and yes, the lessons are going to be a lot more louder, because as you're listening to this is the first video in this course where I'm using this microphone. But I've been wanting to come to you a little bit more loud and just let you hear me. So yeah, anything that you need from me, just let me know, and we're going to talk soon. If you want to follow me on social media, like I said before, Queen_Sarita on Instagram. But also, you can find me on YouTube. So follow the YouTube videos, like, subscribe, share, follow me on there. Not because I'm looking for somebody to honor me or anything, but because I love to do this and I want to share it with those people who are looking for what I have to offer them, okay? And I want you to let me know, what are you loving about reading tarot at this point intuitively? What is it that you are really enjoying, or what's frustrating you? Let me know. I'll talk to you. Peace. And congratulations again.